Rosalind, can you talk to Mr. Monkey? Boo! Rosalind. Yeah. Is that what you have to say about it? Boo! Oh yeah? Are you yelling at Mr. Monkey? You're just such a big girl. You talk to Mr. Monkey some more? Can you talk to Mr. Monkey some more? Boo! Kiss the monkey. Mwah. Kisses. Mwah. Can you tell Mr. Monkey a story? Boo! Kisses. Mwah. Mwah. Kiss the baby. Oh, really? Is that what you have to say about it? Can you tell us some more of your story? You give him another kiss. Mwah. Mwah. Kiss the baby. Kiss the baby. You trying to eat his nose? Does he taste delicious? Say, I love you, Mr. Monkey. Say, I love you, Mr. Monkey. Oh, I found your thumb again. Say bye-bye.